Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove text from video using CapCut. So let's get started. If you're using CapCut as your video editor on your mobile phone or on your Windows version, you can remove text or you can hide text. It's very easy. Just tap on one of your projects. This is, for example, I took from the library. You can practice to editing video. You can take from library. As you can see, I want to cover or I want to remove this text. Let's tap on this video and then you can make duplicate here. This one, duplicate, and then tap on the first video again and tap overlay. So this is the overlay of the first video. So after that, you can use mask. Let's try to search mask here. This one. Let's try to use the rectangle here. So try to use on the blank space and tap this check button and just cover it. Let's see. I think this is done. So now the text is gone. So please free to try, practice yourself in this video editing on the CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.